Hi everyone, Ryan from Skye Avionics. Excited to announce that Skye Avionics has just received our STC for the DeHavilland Beaver installation of an alternator system. So there was a system previously available, but due to parts obsolescence, it became necessary to do another approval. So our STC incorporates the plain power voltage regulator. So when installing the alternator in the Beaver, it's a much simpler circuit. It's modern, solid state, and a lot easier. So with this approval, we're able to continue supporting Beavers for the future. We've also added on the video of our test flight day, so enjoy. So here's the inside of the Beaver. We did the dual install of the Garmin GI-275, and then for the engine instruments, we got the CGR-30P. We've also, in US registered Beavers, we're able to install the digital CIES fuel probes. So then we could do the CGR-30 combo, which gets pretty cool because then, if you're looking at it, we just have the two GI-275s and then two CGR-30s, and that's your entire, all your instruments. Covers your flight instruments, engine instruments. Really makes for a clean panel, modern and updated. Yeah, so we're looking forward to getting this in the air.